SharePlay lets you and your friends listen to music together on Apple Music in real time, even if you're far apart. You can use it through FaceTime or messages to play, pause, and cue the songs together. It's great for hanging out remotely, studying, or just enjoying music with friends. Here's how to use this SharePlay with Apple Music. First, get ready. Update your devices. Make sure that you and your friends have the latest version of iOS, iPad, operating system, or Mac OS, and Apple Music subscription. And then start a FaceTime call. Open the FaceTime app, call the friends that you want to share music with, and open Apple Music during the call. While on the FaceTime call, minimize it and open the Apple Music app, pick a song, album, or playlist, and start playing the music. Tap the play button and you will see Share Play prompt selected to start the music for everyone on the call. Anyone on the call can pause, skip, rewind, or change the song. The music stays synced on all the devices. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.